Struggling to change an issue type in Jira? You are not alone. In 60 seconds, I will show you exactly where the option is hiding. It is one of those things that looks like it should be obvious, but once you know where to look, it takes just a couple of clicks. So here is the plan. We're going to open your project, pick the issue you want to change, and then use a simple little drop-down menu. That is it. No hidden menus, no confusing settings pages. All right, let us jump into a real Jira account and do this together. I am logged into my own account right now, and I am looking at the dashboard. The first step is simply to open your Jira account. Just log in like you normally do. You will see your main home screen with all your recent projects listed. Now, take a look over on the left side panel. That is where all your projects are listed. Go ahead and click on the project that has the issue you want to change. I am clicking on mine right now, and it loads up the project board and the backlog view. Once you are inside your project, you will see your list of issues. Now, find the specific issue or task that you want to change the type of. Maybe you created something as a task and you realized it is actually a bug or a story. Go ahead and click on that issue. I'm clicking on one of my issues here. When you do that, a detail panel will slide in from the right side of the screen. This panel shows all the information about that issue. And here is the really important part, because this is the spot that most people miss. Look at that panel on the right. Scroll down just a little bit until you see a small checkbox. It's usually right near the top of the detail view. The label next to that checkbox says Change Work Type. It looks like a simple toggle or a checkbox. Just click that checkbox. As soon as you do, a drop-down menu will appear, right in that same spot. Now, this drop-down will show you a list of all the available issue types in your project. You might see options like Task, Story, Bug, Campaign, Request, or Asset. The exact list depends on how your project is set up. Choose the type you want to switch to. I am going to pick Story for this example. Just click on it. And this is the really nice part. As soon as you click your new type from that drop-down, Jira saves the change automatically. There is no separate save button. You do not have to hunt for a confirmation. It just updates the issue type instantly, right before your eyes. You can see the icon and the label change on the issue itself. That is it. You are done. So there you go. From feeling completely stuck and frustrated, now you can switch any issue between task, story, bug, and more in just a matter of seconds. It is one of those tricks that once you know it, you will wonder how you ever missed it. Thanks for sticking with me. Happy tracking!